Hey guys, it's Derek from Tacoma Lifestyle, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the custom startup image on your 3rd gen Tacoma. Now, sadly, this will only work for certain years of the 3rd gen Tacoma. As far as I know, this will not work for any of the versions that have Apple CarPlay. Now, as far as I know, I don't think this is available for the 4th gen Tacoma either, sadly, but I haven't had the chance to test it on Colby's just yet. So again, from what I understand, this will not work on the newer versions of the 3rd gen Tacoma that have Apple CarPlay. So one of the ways that you can check, from my understanding, is to see if you have a CD player right here on the top. So if you have this older style with a CD player, and then I'll show you what the buttons look like on the side. They look a little bit different from some of the newer ones that have Apple CarPlay. If you have this older style, then this should be an option for you. So this process is actually really simple. You're only going to need one thing, and that's going to be a USB-A thumb drive. Now, at your desktop or laptop computer, you just need some way of plugging in your USB-A thumb drive to the computer. A lot of computers now, everything is USB-C, so you might need an adapter because the thumb drive itself does have to be USB in order for it to work on the Tacoma. So the first thing you're going to need to do is locate your thumb drive here on your computer. The next thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you have these two folders on the thumb drive. I'd highly recommend deleting everything else off of the thumb drive. This is the only thing on here. You're going to need two folders labeled exactly this. It needs to be display off image with no spaces and the first letter of each word capitalized. And then you need a second folder, same thing, it needs to say start up image with the first letter of every word capitalized. I've noticed that it isn't a huge deal if they're not capitalized, but once you have those two folders created, display off image and start up image with the first letter of each one capitalized, no spaces, we're going to go ahead and place our images in these folders. This is where you're going to need to pick the images that you're going to use. If you are creating your own custom image, these are the dimensions that I found work best: 800 by 480 pixels. Right, so now we're here inside of the 3rd gen Tacoma. Now inside the 3rd gen, right in this area, there's going to be a USB-A port. This is a 2017 TRD Pro. This should work just fine. We've got the CD player. That's one of the big indicators. If you have a CD player, probably going to be able to do this. So we're going to take our USB drive. We're actually just going to plug it into this USB-A port that you would normally use just to charge your phone right here near the center console. So I'll just plug that in. Next, you're going to need to have the key, and we're just going to push the button without our foot on the brake pedal. We just need to turn the car on, so we're going to push it once, and we're going to push it one more time. Now that the car has power, we'll be able to do what we need to do to change the images. All right, so now that the vehicle is on and you can access this menu, you need to go to Apps. Once inside of Apps, you need to click on Setup. Once inside of Setup, you need to click on General. Now here inside of the General menu, you just need to scroll down until you see the options we're looking for. And the options we're looking for are Customize Startup Image and Customize Screen Off Image. So we're gonna go ahead and click Customize Startup Image. Now from here, you can actually see all of the images that have previously been an option on the Tacoma, including the default, which is just the standard Toyota logo. So I actually wanna go down here to the bottom because you aren't gonna see anything here other than this default image unless someone else has set a previous custom image. We need to go down here to the bottom and click transfer. So it's going to ask you if you want to transfer the files from the USB drive that you've plugged in. You're going to go ahead and click yes. It's going to copy those new images from the thumb drive onto the vehicle. So now you can actually have 4 total options, the default and then 3 custom ones. So now we're going to go ahead and click this custom one that we selected before, and we're going to click OK. Now let's go to Customize Screen Off Image. So the screen off image, like I was saying before, on default is just going to be a black screen. So when you click it, it's just designed to turn the screen off. So if you wanted some kind of image displayed on the screen full time, like a screensaver, this would be the image you would change. Now as a prank earlier, I put this image on Carson's Tacoma, but we're going to go ahead and hit transfer again to bring in the files from the USB drive. So we're going to click yes. It's going to transfer and copy all those new files over, and we're going to select this new one and then click OK. So now if we want to check that this worked, we're going to go back over here to Apps. We're going to go down here to Setup, and then right there at the bottom, there's this option that says Screen Off. So normally this just turns the screen off if you're trying to get it to not blare the light from the screen in your face when your headlights are off and you're sitting in your car, something like that. So just so you know, this will replace that with an actual image. So if you want to keep that screen off setting, you don't have to change it to something custom if you don't want to. You can go ahead and click Screen Off. And now we'll display this image until I push something else. So as long as the vehicle stays on, this is going to be the display until I push something else. Now, in order to check the startup image, we need to turn the vehicle off. So I'm going to push the power button again. I'm going to push the start button one time this time, and we'll watch as the custom startup image is displayed. And there you go. That is how you change the custom startup and display off image on the 3rd Gen Tacoma. Now we are working on some Tacoma lifestyle themed images you guys will be able to download from the website, but they aren't up just yet. When they are, I will drop a link there in the description. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you guys check out our website, tacomalifestyle.com. We carry just about everything for every generation of Toyota Tacoma. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we hope to see you guys out there on the trails.